In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install an Akicon bathroom fan. Before you begin, read the installation instructions and familiarize yourself with the bathroom fan parts and installation specs. There should be a space proper for installation in your soffit or attic. Remove the adapter plate from the housing. And starting next to the joist, trace an outline for the housing. Use a drywall saw to cut the size, then slide in the housing and screw it into the joist. Adjust the brackets and connect the brackets to the joists. Secure the adapter plate to the housing, then attach the duct and apply HVAC tape over the connection. Connect the house wires to the fan wires. Next, place the insulation over and around the fan. Plug in the light connection and install the grill, LED bulbs, night light bulb, and glass cover. Turn on the switch and check the functions of the product to see if it's working properly. Congratulations! Your job is finished. Installing an Akicon bathroom fan is fast and easy with Akicon. Akicon for your life.